has appealed to the youth to exercise their constitutional rights peacefully and refrain from destroying property or violating other people's rights. Otuoma accused some leaders of inciting tribal tensions and sowing divisions among Kenyans. He noted that recent demonstrations had caused extensive destruction and loss of life, urging protesters to uphold dignity and respect for people's livelihoods. The governor spoke during a funeral service in Funyula constituency.
Watu sana. Ya pili nimeona kwa hii historia yake.
We have lost. Greg has been an icon.
Nimekadhibiwa vyo.
I can tell you what is happening in Kenya today is not the right thing. People can dialogue, but we are not enemies. We must build a nation. We are not going to build tribal cocoons that want to reign supreme over other Kenyans. We must build a Kenyan community where every Kenyan believes he has got an opportunity. Even you kusema as they were privileged communities, like I have said, our people here had been hoodwinked to think that coffee cannot grow here. They had been hoodwinked to think that the economic paper, there should be no investment here. For those who want to express themselves, please do it without destroying other people's property. Our constitution allows you to express yourself, but don't destroy other people's property. There are limits to what you can do. Please, let us not have politicians who are inciting their communities against others. There is no privileged community in this Kenya. We are all children's God and we are all the same under the constitution.
Angry residents of Njiru have stormed the Assistant County Commissioner